Well, we've only got two of these to show you this afternoon. These are the 9-inch, they're usually sold as breakfast or luncheon plates. Size down from the dinner plates, which are 10.5 inch. These are Royal Doulton in the Sonnet design. Let me show you the China marks here. Nice green Royal Doulton crown and lion with Sonnet H5012, copyright Doulton & Co Limited. Probably made after 1971 through to around late 1980s, although Sonnet was produced right the way up until 1999. It's this lovely, very striking, really, green and white design with these little arches and floral sort of basket bouquets coming out of them, with plain rims with rich gilt around there. Surface of these is in used vintage condition, just occasional knife mark on them, but really they're very, very bright and good glaze reflection, as you can see. Matching China mark on the second one. Only two in this size. We've got a lot of dinner plates, a lot of side plates, some smaller 8-inch, I think, dessert plates, also about to be listed, but only a couple of those, and a lot of the side plates. So two of these available. The link below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where they're going on sale this afternoon. Thanks for watching.